Your AC not cooling in summer? Let's get fix it. An air conditioner that runs but doesn't cool is usually struggling with airflow restrictions, dirty components, or low refrigerant. The most common reasons include a dirty air filter, incorrect thermostat settings, frozen evaporator coils, or a blocked condenser unit. Here are the top reasons your AC is not cooling and easy DIY fixes to get it running again. Dirty or clogged air filter. A dirty filter acts as a barrier, trapping dust and pet hair, which severely restricts air from entering the system. This leads to poor cooling, higher energy bills, and can even freeze up the system. Check your air filter monthly. If it looks gray or clogged, replace it or clean it, if reusable. Incorrect thermostat settings. The thermostat might be set to fan only, or on, instead of cool or auto. In fan mode, it just circulates air without cooling it. Set the thermostat to cool and the fan to auto. Ensure the target temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Frozen evaporator coils. Often caused by low airflow, from a dirty filter, or low refrigerant, the coils in the indoor unit get too cold and freeze, blocking all cool air. Turn off the AC immediately. Switch the fan to on to help it thaw faster. Change the air filter once it is completely dry. Blocked or dirty outdoor unit, condenser. The outdoor unit releases heat from your home. If it is covered in dirt, leaves, or obstructed by plants, the system cannot release heat effectively. Clear all debris, leaves, branches, at least 2 feet around the unit. Gently spray the condenser coils, fins, with a garden hose to remove dirt. Tripped circuit breaker. If the AC suddenly stops or only blows warm air, it may have overloaded the circuit and tripped the breaker. Check your home's main electrical panel for a tripped switch, usually labeled AC or HVAC, and reset it. Blocked vents or air ducts. Closed, blocked, or leaking vents, by furniture or curtains, prevent cool air from reaching your rooms, causing the system to overwork. Open all vents and ensure nothing is blocking the airflow. When to call a professional, pro fixes. If the above tips don't work, you likely have a more serious issue that requires a licensed technician. Refrigerant leak. Hissing sounds or ice on pipes indicate a leak, which cannot be fixed with a simple top off. Alt compressor or capacitor. The outdoor unit makes a humming noise but won't start. Dirty evaporator coils. These are difficult to access and require deep cleaning.